Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is climate change boosts rat population. A new study reveals that climate change is contributing to a significant increase in rat populations in over a dozen cities, including Washington, D.C., San Francisco, and New York City. The study, published in Science Advances, shows that 69% of the cities studied reported a rise in rat numbers, with Washington, D.C. experiencing a massive 390% increase in rat populations. Hotter temperatures and other urban factors are blamed for the surge, as rats are able to survive and reproduce more successfully in warmer climates. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS-JS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501. Impact of climate change. Rising temperatures allow rats to stay active and search for food longer, which contributes to increased survival rates and more reproductive cycles, leading to faster population growth. The study found that colder winters previously helped regulate rat populations by limiting their outdoor activity and food-seeking behavior. Hotter winters and changing weather patterns disrupt this natural balance, leading to an explosion in rat numbers. Concerns: rats are known to be carriers of over 50 pathogens, making them a major health risk to humans. They transmit diseases through urine, feces, saliva, and parasites. Rat infestations have also been linked to mental health issues, including anxiety and depression, particularly in low-income, non-white communities. The rise in rat populations increases the potential for zoonotic diseases, which can spread from animals to humans. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary factor contributing to the increase in rat populations in cities? Urbanization, higher temperatures, better food distribution, or increased construction activities? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.